Let us see examples on formula NPR. So we had formula NPR, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into and so on, n minus r plus 1 we can use, or we can also write n factorial upon n minus r factorial. Let's see this example 1. Find the value of r if 10pr is equal to 5040. So 5040 we can write it as 10 504 times, and again 9 5s are 45 and 9 6 are 54. So here 8 7 times. So we're getting 10pr as per the formula we can write 10 into 9 into 8 into and so on, like up to 10 minus r plus 1, which is equal to 5040. We can write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. So when comparing on both, here the last number, that means the lowest number, that is 10 minus r plus 1, equating both 10 minus r plus 1 is equal to 7, that is 11 minus r is equal to 7, or r is equal to 11 minus 7. So r is equal to 11 minus 7, that is 4. So the value of r is 4. Or this can also be done as, since we have 10 factor, 10pr is nothing but 10 factorial upon 10 minus r factorial we can write. So which is equal to 5040 is nothing but 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. So what else is required to get the 10 factorial? Means multiply the 6 natural numbers, that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So let us multiply and divide with 6 factorial, that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, so that we can write it as 10 factorial upon, this is 6 factorial. So 10 factorial upon 10 minus r factorial. Now on comparing both, 10 minus r is equal to 6, 10 minus r is equal to 6, so that we can write r is equal to 10 minus 6. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So the value of r is 4. So in this way also you can solve it, right? Now let us see another example.